Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric trim line. It's a wall telephone, and this is Brian's equipment from New Jersey, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. And these are very sought after. They were a very good telephone, and we know that this unit has a transmit issue. It's very low. So we want to go ahead and troubleshoot the main PC board of the handset unit, and we're going to go ahead and do some still pictures of this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool Western Electric trim line wall telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier backed by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now, the T1s in these units can cause some interference. That's normal for a T1. As they get some age on them, they will sound a little noisy once in a while, and that's why you would see people kind of hit the handset in their hand, and that would clear the graphite granules in the T1s and cause it to not be as noisy. And so that can be normal with these type telephones. And the T1s can always be changed if they get too noisy. Now what we want to do is use our analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on our ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Monday, March 5th. The current time, 8:53 p.m. and the temperature, 45 degrees.
Go ahead and hang up. We'll call one other number. We'll call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. We want to go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric trimline wall telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Brian and he can enjoy this really cool telephone. And like we mentioned earlier, these are very sought after. They were a very good telephone and people really like them. And you'll never find the quality of these telephones by today's standards. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.